Hello everyone, my name's Shannon and this is my first YouTube video. So it's going to be a bit awkward and I'm going to be looking up here a lot rather than here. But you know, we'll get there, we'll get used to it. So for today's video, I've used the Charles Artistry palette to create this look on my eyes. Got the inspo from James's Instagram. I know it's not perfect, but I tried. If you want to see how I did this, then please just keep watching. I'm just going to start with some moisturiser. My skin's quite crusty. So next I'm just going to take my foundation, which is this one by Makeup Revolution in the shade F5 because I'm pale. And let's just ignore this spot if we can. And all the other spots on my face as well. I'm just going to use a beauty blender, my grotty dirty beauty blender, to blend it all in. So next I'm just going to take the concealer, the Makeup Revolution concealer that matches the foundation. This is in the shade C2. So I'm going to use this under my eyes to brighten them up and hopefully cover my spots. And again, I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend that all in. Now I'm going to use powder just to sit under my eyes, but I'm not going to put it on the rest of my face. Probably can't do that. The Stay Matte powder by Rimmel. So now I'm looking a bit flat, looking a bit pale. I think I add some bronzer. My favourite bronzer is Hoola by Benefit. As you can see, it's nearly all gone. I'm just going to use this to bronze my face a bit. This is supposed to make your forehead look smaller, and I feel like I need all the help I can get with that. The more the merrier, to try and make my 10 head look like a forehead. And on top of that, I'm going to take this Rimmel Sun Shimmer Bronzing Powder. The packet's a bit dirty, but it's quite light, just a bit shimmer, just to blend all that together. Next, I'm just going to highlight using MAC Soft and Gentle, which I feel like everybody in the whole world uses. If I can open it. There we go. Look at the difference. Just this side cheekbone, under my eyebrow, and on top of my eyebrow. Wow. Glowing. So next, it's time for eyebrows, which I find the hardest part to ever get the same. Ever. I'll use the Anastasia Dip Brow. This one's loved. In the shade Ash Brown. Start by brushing them. I just like to start off by drawing the line underneath my eyebrow, then the top, and then just kind of blend all the rest of it in. So that's the underneath. So now we just have to do the top. So I'm just going to colour the end in messily, and I'll just drag what's left on the brush through the front. So we'll do the same on the other one. I'm aware they're not the same because they never are, ever. Everyone loves a trier. So now it's time for the hard part, which is the eyes. I asked my boyfriend to go on James's Instagram and pick a look for me to try. Keyword is try. And this is the one that he picked. So this is what I'm going to try to do now. Probably going to fail, but we're going to try. I don't even know where to start. Right, I'm going to be using this palette. This is the James Charles palette. Obviously everybody knows, but And I feel like we're just going to be using a bit of everything because it's the rainbow kind of look. Where do I even start? I feel like we should start on the outside and come in. Maybe. So I'm going to start with the red. So I'm going to... What's the names? So I'm going to start off with You're Kidding out of the palette. Which is... this red one. I'm just going to start taking that from the outer corner. Just a little bit in. From about there. I've never ever tried a rainbow look, so I don't even know why I'm trying to do it for my first video, but it's fine. There. Blend the edges out just a tiny bit. Up towards the eyebrow. So I'm going to take the yellow, which is called B. I'm just going to pop there. Right next to the red. And it kind of blends in the middle to make an orange, which is good. Then I'm actually going to take some orange. I'm just going to pop that in the middle. Is that blended? Probably not. So next is the green. And the green, I'm going to use the dark green, which is called Daddy. Take some more of the yellow to try and blend this mess a little bit better. Anyway, let's pretend it blends. I'm going to take the light blue, which is Playground, and pop that right in there. I don't think it looks the worst, but it definitely does not look the best. Okay, so next here we're going to pop some pink. And I'm going to use Skip, which is this bright pink here. I'm going to pop that there and blend it with the red. I'm going to drag it underneath a bit as well. Okay, now before I do anything else, I think I'm going to try and do the cloud. I don't have any white eyeliner, so I'm going to have to try and use concealer to do a cloud, so it's not going to be white, but we'll try. So I've just got to do this cloud. I'm literally going to take the finest brush I have, which is this Real Techniques one. I'm going to take some of my concealer to try and start doing the cloud. I think I'm just going to start by doing this. Look up. Try and make one of the first lines. And just fill that in. Concentration. Oh, I've lost a nail, by the way, so just ignore that. So while that's drying, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other eye. Right, so I've done the clouds on both eyes. I feel like this is probably the best I'm going to get. They're not very even, but I tried. So he's kind of also got purple going through here and into the clouds. So I'm going to do that next. So I'm going to use this one, which is Escape. I'm just going to pop that in the corner and kind of blend it in to make it a little bit darker. And I'll drag that underneath as well. And then try and blend it a little bit without making it take over the whole. This is where it could all go wrong. Blend, 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 blend. This is not blending at all. I think that's the best we're going to get. So I'm just going to leave it there before we ruin it. I'm going to take the pink a little bit lower. So I'm going to take Skip again. Underneath, drag it quite far down all the way along. Just like that. I'm going to take Escape, which is the purple again, and take that underneath too. A Modern Renaissance palette. And in there I'm going to take the shade Vermeer, which is that one there. So I'm just going to do the same on the other eye as well. I tried. So I'm just going to take the same concealer and this fine brush to do some stars. So I've just done a cross. And now I'm just going to join. And on the other side, start off with a cross. Ooh, a bit thick. There's the big ones. Now I'm just going to do some little dots that look like stars. That will do. Pretty much think that's it for the eyes. I know they're not the best, but we tried. So I'm just going to stick some eyelashes on, and then I'll be back. So there's the eyes done. I think I've done the best that I can. Ignore this star, please. This is my attempt at the James Charles cloudy rainbow eye look. So the final step, just to finish off the look, is to add some lip gloss. Pro on the top. I think it's Revolution from Superdrug. In the shade Mantra. And we are done. Okay everyone, that's my first YouTube video. So please like and subscribe down below. It'd mean a lot to me. Sorry I'm kind of awkward, it is my first video, so but we'll get there, we'll get there. So thanks for watching, I'll see you soon, bye.